Hi, I'm Melanie from Melanie Shore Yoga, and today we're going to be working on Purvottanasana, which is also called upward facing plank pose. So you're going to bring your hands behind you with your fingers facing forward. Make sure you spread your fingers so your middle fingers are forward and your wrist should be underneath your shoulder blades. So you're not coming too far out or too far in. Everything should be in line. You're going to breathe in and bend your arms down, and breathe out. You're going to lift up as high as you can. Open up your chest. You want to make sure your toes are pointed. Your head can be wherever you need it to be so that your neck is nice and relaxed. You will feel this opening up your shoulder. It's also building strength in your upper arms, and it opens up your hips. If you have tight hips, you're probably going to be down like this. This is fine. Just keep working on it. Eventually, you'll be able to come up. When you're finished, you're going to breathe in and come down and breathe out. You can even fold forward if you want at the end if it puts a little bit of tension on your lower back. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy doing this pose at home.